How to remove credit card from QuickBooks Online. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, open QuickBooks and tap on the Lists option in the menu and select Chart of Accounts. A list of all of your accounts appears. Double-click your credit card account to view all of the transactions completed with that account. Now, tap on the first transaction in the list and then tap on the Edit Transaction button. Information about the transaction appears in a new window. Select the Delete button in the toolbar and a warning appears informing you that the transaction was used to pay a bill and that the deleting transaction makes the bill outstanding in QuickBooks. Select the OK button and then Save and Close button to finish deleting the transaction. Deleting the remaining transaction associated with the credit card account. Into does not include a mass delete option for transactions. Simply right-click the name of the credit card account in the Chart of Accounts window and select Delete Account. Confirm the deleting action by tapping on OK. So this is how you can remove credit card from QuickBooks Online. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.